Okay, before I put my little lathe project away, I was just going to set it aside. I decided to try to finish up the gears in it. I have 40, 35, 30, and 25. So I need 2 each of those. So the OD for the 40, or I already have the 40 made. Yep, I got the 40 blanks made, other than facing them off on the back side. So the next one is 35, which is 1 inch, 850, I believe. Well, let me check here. Yep, 1 inch, 850. I don't know it by heart. I'm looking at a chart. So, got the lathe set up here. Snowing outside. So, and right now we are at 1 inch, 960. And we're going to run it a little bit in a lower range here, just to get the oil circulated. And the blanks are 3/16 wide, or thick. I'm going to try to take 50 thou off here. And we'll see where we're at. Oops, I tried to throw it in my chip barrel over there and I missed. It's a good thing I don't play basketball. I never did play sports when I was younger. Just wasn't into it. Okay, I need 55 to come off of there. And I'm going to zero my readout, turn it into 55. And we'll see where we're at. That's what I want right there. Now I want to drill and ream a 1/2 inch hole through there. Get a center drill out. I don't like where that's sitting. Like that up on top. There we go. I like to be able to tighten it right up on top instead of down here at an angle. You probably didn't see that. But, alright, set a center drill in there. Nope. Yeah, we'll put a We'll put a 2164 drill in there. Only did about a half an inch. I got more to make on here, so it'll be fine. I won't be taking that out of the chuck until after I get them all made. Half-inch reamer. I had one out the other day. Not exactly sure where I put it. Oh, it's laying over here on the tailstock yet. Or on the tail end of the lathe anyway. I watched somebody, I won't mention their name, trying to explain how I've been using this way of making gears for quite some time, where you figure out the circumference of my indexer plate, and I make a tape that length, divide that tape into the number of segments for the gear. For each segment is a tooth on the gear, and I've been using that way for quite some time. Some people will go, "Oh, that's not very accurate," but it's it's a lot more accurate than you think. And the bigger the diameter, you know, some people have done it on a lathe. If you have, I was always going to make one of those a broaching attachment for it. They're not that complicated to make. Someday I'll make one, but not today. A little fast on the reamer there. Just slowed that down. See if see how my shaft fits in there. It'll be okay. It'll be fine. Now, I don't know if I face this off, so better face that off. Oops. Before I part it off. Faced it off. Got my part off blade. It should still be set. I'm coming back to this, you know, I had worked on this last spring, so I'm trying to kind of remember. All right. Back out, part off blade is 92 thou, or 93 thou. So we'll zero that, go 93. Oop, shot by it. Okay. And then it's supposed to be 187. I'm going to go 200 to get myself a little bit of material to face off on the other side. I have this fixture that I made that I've been using, and basically all it is, I just got a square piece of metal that I had, and I bored a hole through it. Actually, I bandsawed a hole through here, and then I bored a hole through that blank will fit in. See, I've used it for different diameters. And you put that in there, put it in the forge jaw, and squeeze it, and it'll grip on it. You'll see that when we get to it. I get all the blanks made first. All right. Now we're running at 1,000 RPM. I'm hand cranking it in. Keeping coolant on it as best I can. Yep. See, the part out blade did wander a little bit. Face this off. It wandered quite a bit. A little more. There we go. And I'm thinking I better go a little deeper with my drill. Let me see the scale right here. Can't get the scale in there. Let me get the calipers. All right. Get out of here. There's a little chip hanging in there, the ring that. Dad, burn it. Yep, that's only 150 thou, so we better go a little deeper. With that part or facing it off again. Well, I don't need the center drill. Duh. Putting the center drill in, I don't need the center drill. The hole's already there. It already started. I'm just going to make it deeper. And we'll shift down to lower speed here. Otherwise the drill will be screaming. I didn't count the turns. I don't know how far deep I went. A ways. since I'm going to make more gear blanks here anyway. It's not going to matter. It's not like I'm going to be wasting material. I'm still debating on rotary engine. I'm just not sure if I want to do it or not. It would be a glow plug engine. That's one of the things I don't know if I want to do that. The one that I picked out to build anyway. It's a nice looking engine, but a lot of work. Okay, let's get back at this. Touch. 0, 90, 95, 0. I could have just went 295 over. $200. I shot by it. Okay, here we go. Crank that back up to 1,000. My tool must be, part-off blade must be a little bit above center. That's why it snapped it and threw it, you know, instead of just dropping it. And what it does is it puts pressure on it, and then it just gives way. But that's okay. I'm looking for it. Here it is. Yeah, you can see it's dished out. So I'll put it in that fixture, and then I'll face this side off. Which is okay. That's fine. I'll get there. The end of my tool part-off blade must have a little bit of an angle on it. Pushing that blade over. Hope I'm not getting this on the camera lens. Getting close here again. Kicks her out of there. All right, so we have those two done. These were 35s. I'm going to write on them right away so that I don't get confused. 35. Yeah, that one's hot. All right, the next ones I think are 30s. Let me look in the book here. Next ones, yep, are 30. I got 30 and 25 left to go. Let's go over here and calculate what it is that we got to use. I'll show you what I'm using. I'm not sure the guy's name again that built this spreadsheet, but I use it. I use it quite a bit. It works very nice. I don't know if you can read the, but right now it was set for 35. So we want to change that to 30. Go 30. Enter. Okay, so now the OD is 1 inch 600. So, and the pitch diameter is 1 inch 500. So 1 inch 600 is the next ones that we gotta make. All right, let's get back over here. I plan on setting up my tool grinder here in the near future too. So look forward to that. I mean, if you're wanting to see it, it'll be coming up. I'm just not sure when. So we need to turn the OD down to, did I say 1 inch 600? I gotta look again. Yeah. 1 inch 600. And we're at 1100. 1,000. And where are we at? We are at 1 inch 800. One inch 840. 1 inch 840. I'm going to type that in up here. X 1 inch 840. Enter. There we go. And we want to go to 600. So let's take 100, 140. We'll take her down to 1 inch 700. That should be 1 inch 700 now. That's actually 1 inch 710. So we've got 110 thou to take off. So I'm going to take her right to size. 1 inch 600. I haven't put up a video in a while. We were kind of busy again. So now that it's snowing out, and I don't have anywhere to go, so I don't need to go push snow around. I'll do that tomorrow. 1 inch 600, right on the money. Whew. All right, now we got to face the end off. Oop. Kick the tripod here. All right, I'm going to face the end off here. we go. Looks like we got enough depth to take another bite here. Go in and touch. Yeah, the NC machine is still set up for. I think my tool might have moved a little bit here. I have that pretty tight. I thought I had it pretty tight. That could help with the dishing too, you know. Don't want that. Oh, it doesn't matter. I'm going to face them off, but still. All right. Touch, zero it. 295. Right there. I could have shortened that blade up too a little bit, but it's sticking out there a long ways. Yeah, they called for a blizzard, but all we got was a little bit of heavy snow for a while, and it's been snowing on and off now. Kicks her out of there. Hopefully I had enough drilled hole left.